होगी यहीं पे। ये चमकी है, आप सबके पास है, वो 100 माओं के पास है जिनके पेट में एक कोई चमकी या चमका है वहाँ पे। तो I hope that you all enjoy this film. I hope you all like this film. I think you all will. और टिश्यू बॉक्स मुझे लगता है कि साइड पे होगा।
चमकी, अब 2 मिनट अगर आप हमें देंगे, 2 मिनट, सिर्फ 2 मिनट। Only 2 minutes. We will give you this chance. Just 2 minutes, please. Just give us 2 minutes. चमकी, आज अब हमारे साथ कुछ कहना चाहेंगी। यहाँ पर बहुत सारी मम्मीज आई हैं, so we would request कि आप कुछ ऐसे प्यारे से शब्द हम सबके साथ बोलें, प्लीज।
मैं हूँ आप सबकी चमकी, यहाँ पे आने के लिए थैंक यू, मेरी फिल्म देखने के लिए थैंक यू, इसे सबको दिखाना। चलिए हम सबके साथ एक कसम खाते हैं।
इसके लिए मैं चाहूँगी कि हम सब एक कसम लें चमकी के साथ। उसके लिए मैं गुजारिश करूँगी आप सब अपनी अपनी सीटों पर वहाँ खड़े हो जाएं और हमारे साथ ये कसम खाएं। आपके राइट हैंड को प्लीज अपने दिल पे रखिए,
नहीं उसको माइक की जरूरत है।
अपने दाएं हाथ को अपने दिल पर रखिए और है हम सबको उसके साथ कहना है। हम कहेंगे यस एवरीबॉडी, यस चमकी।
हम अपने बच्चों को छूने से पहले,
हम अपने बच्चों को छूने से पहले
अपना हाथ साबुन से धोएंगे,
साबुन से धोएंगे।
मेरे साथ कसम लेने के लिए और भी बड़ा थैंक यू।
Please give her a round of applause, everybody. Wonderful. Thank you. अब आप अपनी अपनी सीटों पर आराम से बैठ सकती हैं और याद रखिएगा ये थी सिर्फ एक लाइन, लेकिन ये आपकी जिंदगी बदल सकती है। Yes, now you all can go ahead and click as many pictures as you want. We have 2 minutes.
माइक छोड़ दो।
Kajol ma'am, extreme right. Ma'am, extreme right. Ma'am, Kajol ma'am, extreme right. Ma'am, extreme right. Ma'am, extreme right.
ओके बस अभी आंखें अंधी हो गई मैं। चलो।
Thank you. Yes, thank you very much. चमकी, आ जाइए मेरे साथ. And that is going to affect the entire world. So thank you so much there. We have with us a very special guest, and we would request on stage Anupama Chopra to please talk on how cinema is making a social impact and help a child reach 5.
In a family, I want to know what was Ajay's reaction like? You know, was he aware of it during the neonatal period?
Hello. Yeah. Well, I'll just say one thing for him, that he learnt very quickly. He learnt very quickly, but I think most importantly, you know, as they say, Dr. Balsekar was very, very good that way. That you know, he spoke to both of us. उन्होंने हम दोनों से बात की इसके बारे में, that it is not only the mother's duty, and yes, it is the mother's duty definitely, लेकिन सिर्फ उनकी responsibility नहीं है, दोनों की responsibility होती है, क्योंकि जो बच्चा होता है वो दोनों का बच्चा होता है, किसी एक का ही नहीं होता. So I think yes, he was very much involved in it. He was very irritated with me also because I took it to new lengths, but I think he supported me most of the time. I think we've spoken so well that nobody has any questions to ask.
काजोल जी, एज ए आप खुद एक माँ है, तो आई वांट टू नो व्हाट आर द कॉमन मिस्टेक्स व्हिच मदर मेक्स व्हाइल ब्रॉडिंग अप देयर चिल्ड्रन.
The common mistakes.
Yeah.
I think each mother makes her own mistakes. कोई किसी और की mistakes repeat नहीं करता है, उससे सीख के अपने खुद की mistakes बना लेता है. But I think the one thing, एक चीज़ जो है जो हर माँ को जो हर माँ फील करती है, जो एक बहुत एक गलती भी है और एक चीज़ है जिससे हम भाग भी नहीं सकते, और वो है गिल्ट जिसे हम कहते हैं. हम हमेशा ये सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. अगर कुछ गलत हो गया घर पे, या अगर एक दिन बच्चे के साथ बिताया नहीं, या अगर कहीं पे बच्चा बीमार हो गया, तो वो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. और ये गिल्ट जिसे कहते हैं, आई डोंट नो व्हाट द वर्ड फॉर इट इज़ इन हिंदी, बट आई थिंक दैट्स वन थिंग दैट वी ऑल फेस एज मदर्स. आई स्टिल डू टिल टुडे. तो ये हमेशा लगता है कि शिट, आई शुड हैव डन दिस बेटर, ये करना चाहिए था मुझे बेटर, या वो करना चाहिए था मुझे बेटर. सो दैट्स वन थिंग दैट ये एक गलती है. हम जैसे माएँ बन जाती हैं, हम वी सीज टू बी ह्यूमन. हम इंसान नहीं रहते, हम माँ हो चुके हैं. तो जैसे मैंने कहा पहले, जय माता दी. लेकिन आई थिंक वी हैव टू फॉरगिव आवरसेल्व्स. हमें अपने आप को माफ़ करना चाहिए हमारी छोटी छोटी गलतियों के लिए, और ये सोचना चाहिए कि गलती सबसे होती है और रोज़ होती है. कोई परफेक्ट नहीं है, कोई माँ परफेक्ट नहीं होती है, कोई इंसान परफेक्ट नहीं होता है. और हम अगर माँ बन भी जाएं तो ये हम परफेक्ट कभी नहीं हो सकते. सिर्फ भगवान परफेक्ट है इस दुनिया में.
Immediately after childbirth is to get back into shape, you know, lose all the fat that they have piled upon. You are back, you know, in the fittest of form now. So what would
It took me a long time.
Yeah, so what would your advice be?
I think, you know, when you have a baby, there's so much on you. There's so much of stress. You are not physically fit. You will not be. आपकी health suffer करती है, क्योंकि बच्चे को पैदा करने के बाद your body is still recovering. It's a huge deal. It's a very, very big deal. And that's not something that you can recover from easily. It takes you a good 6 to 8 months to get back to normal. और उसके ऊपर अगर आप बोल दो कि बच्चा सो नहीं रहा है, या you know you're sleeping for only 2 hours in the night, and you know you have colic, and you have, you know, whatever, so therefore your recovery takes longer than it would normally. So if your perfect baby was the perfect baby and slept for 10 hours in the night and woke up and had 3 meals a day, it would be different. But he's going to get up, he's going to breastfeed, or he's going to need the bottle and all that. So I think it takes longer for the body to recover, and that's something that I think every mother should just take at her own time. Yes, stay fit, eat properly, eat nutritiously. I think that's really important, that you need to eat जो you know जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं, जैसे सास ने बोल दिया बेटा ये खा लो, ये लड्डू खा लो, और वो खा लो, लेकिन कंट्रोल में खाना. क्योंकि जो भी आप भी खा रहे हो, at the end of the day, that also affects you, helps you, and does not help you also somewhere down the line.
The entire country is awaiting the release of Dilwale. It's the big ticket movie. You know, I am reminded of something. 20 years ago, Ajay Devgan played the lead role in a movie called Dilwale, which was a blockbuster hit. Can we say that he is the original Dilwale?
I hope so. मुझे तो जीत लिया. But I think both the films are very different, and we'll just wait till the film comes out, honestly.
Okay, hi. This is Madhvi. Basically, I am born and brought up in Bombay, but my native is a remote place in Kolhapur. Okay, and I have been through a lot of complications in my pregnancy tenure. And whatever Kajol was talking about, the 28 days ka period, haath dho ke aao, juta bahar nikalo. Exactly same has happened with me. But my in-laws or my mother at that time didn't support me at that moment. I had a premature baby actually. Okay, so I actually want one of your unit to go to my native place and help those people over there. It's a typical gaon, more than this, what we are showing in the video right now. तो can you please tell me the concerned person whom I can talk and tell them the location of my GA so that they can go there, help the people over there understand what exactly washing hands mean or sanitizing the hands mean. Okay, so this is just something totally different from whatever the media is asking or whatever is happening here. But that's one thing I really want to do for my GA, and I just need the help for that. Haha, they need a celebrity over there, okay? A common man. They are common people, but they are projected.
They
to a
are all common people. They're all normal people who have gone to schools and who have had the training, but who have gone to schools and taken the initiative.
But
you can be part of our program if you like.
Yeah.
I'll give you the person that you need to register under.
I need that.
Yeah, we'll do that.
You know, both to see both of you on screen. But like in recent times, there's again an on-screen couple of Ranveer and Deepika. So do you think they can be the next Kajol and Shah Rukh of Bollywood?
Oh God, first of all, let me just say that I'm here for Lifebuoy Help a Child Reach 5. So let's stick to the topic.
But then again, if we talk about that, do you think they can be the next Shah Rukh and Kajol of Bollywood?
I honestly don't think you can compare. I don't think you can compare anybody to anybody. I cannot be like her. She cannot be like me. We cannot be like them. So, and they cannot be like us. Simple.
Yeah, thank you so much for not asking movie questions, please. Let's stick to something which cleaning and washing of hands and what impact it can make. Yes.
Filmmakers are returning the national award, so could you say something about that?
I don't think it's related to hand washing.
Yeah.
I think let me just say again, let's stick to the topic here. Thank you so much.
Yes.
We'll come back to you. You had two questions.
He was just warming up. I think we're hot enough now. So. Yeah. So okay, we'll give a chance to the lady upstairs.
I know that education system that you are trying to develop, that's a long shot, and that does work on a very at a macro level. It is going to work. But जैसे हम लोगों के घर में मुझे पता है everybody would come to see the child, but it was the most difficult thing to repeatedly tell them, please, you know, you have to sanitize, you have to wash. I mean,
yes, I agree. It's totally, it's horrible. It's really horrible,
there
and you alienate a lot of people.
Exactly.
बहुत झगड़े होते हैं घर में.
It's like they want to take
बहुत
the
झगड़े
gifts
होते हैं
back.
घर पे. But first of all, I tell them to have their own, and then talk to me about it. But I think the one thing that I did at home at that point of time was that I remember this with Dr. Balsekar, because I made him talk to my husband, and I made him talk to my mother-in-law and everybody together in a room. And he was the one who actually convinced them as to how important it was and how necessary it was. And no, my child was not a premature baby, but at the same time, she was very, very precious to me. And we were extremely like, you know, she was like, oh my God, you know, my gift in my life and whatever, my hope, my dream, my whatever. So yes, we were very, very passionate. And I think that makes sense when you get your doctor home to explain it to everybody, at home at least. I think that in itself makes a difference, because whatever we may say, agar main apni maa ko bolun ki nahi maa, mommy, you should do this, my mother may not listen to me. But if a doctor comes from the outside and is an outside voice to support your decision and to explain why it's being done, then maybe that would make a difference. I think it would, at least. Otherwise, just put a sign on the door. दरवाजे पे sign रख दो, बस हाथ धो के अंदर आना वरना मत आना.
All right. Thank you so much. Is it about hand wash? Okay.
Actually, this is about the program. I just wanted to ask you whether you would be interested in partnering with the government, you know, to reach out to more children and...
Actually, we have already...
We would request all the media to now
I'd just
have
like to
lunch.
add one
Yes.
thing. I'd just like to add one thing, that all of y'all can take part in this. Please see the video on YouTube. It is going to be released. Please see the video. Please share it, because it will make a difference to every mother that you show it to. So please, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was our student project to get ready for the real thing, which is now. And ये कोई नई बात नहीं है कि नई picture शुरू हो रही है. Every day we read in the papers.